He's done? He's done? He's fucking right, yeah? Stop letting him off, yeah, bro. He's a fucking dog. So let's do it. Fuck off down the street. Yeah? Just set all the fucking dogs off. I'm gonna come back again. I'm not gonna be happy. Yeah. So don't tell me to fuck off. You wanna let fucking firecrackers off? Yeah? Worry about the fucking dogs. Otherwise, I'm gonna fucking knock your boyfriend. Come on. Yeah, come here. You get out of the way. Stop letting. Come look at you. You're a grown man. This is fucking cute. Yeah, well, that's. Have you not? Yeah. What do you want me to do? Call the fucking police and you're like, fucking go deal with these dogs for letting firecrackers off? Grow up. Yeah. Grow up. I'll show you fucking grown, cunt. Your property bitches are fucking boy fucking house in the street. Stop. Your missus is coming at me. I want to square up with you. Tell her to move. You fucking like me. Tell her to move then. Listen to it. He wants the blue. Yeah, you set a great example, I guess. Yeah? You want to be a fucking hero. Tell your missus to move. We'll punch on and see what we do. Because you let fucking firecrackers off. I'll set my dog and my kid off. Yeah? You know it's fucking gone. It's gone. It's fucking... Knock it off. 12:15. You missed it. You had your 3-minute window and then you fucking late. Alright? If they go off again, I'm going to come back. Are they going to go off again? No. Alright. I did. No, you missed it, yeah? 15 minutes. I got my fucking dog. I gave my kids fucking rescue remedy. Calmed them down. And now they're about to go to bed and you're setting them off again. You missed it. This is the first time. That's the first time. So why didn't you go home at 12 o'clock like everyone? Exactly, you're late. So what? So everyone, you get a fucking 3-minute window. Yeah, I do, because they keep going off. I had time to fucking complain about it. You missed your fucking window, alright? I'm about to walk away, and if they go off again, I'm back. So what more about you than it does about me? Alright? If I hear them again, I'm going to fucking... Get off the fucking line. I'm not on my phone. If I go off again, I'm going to come back here. Yeah? Get the close. I'm not trying to cause issues. I'm sorry. Yeah, you're right. You fucking are. You're the thing I said. Going down here. Yeah, because you sent on firecrackers with a bunch of fucking kids. If you want to square up like a bloke, you fucking go for it, yeah? Fuck off. Hey, but he's not going to say shit, is he? You let you do it. One of my chicks. You just said you want to go. Just pull on my fucking shoe then. You just said, fuck off, don't get my property. You're not aggressive behaviour. My property, walk that way. What are you doing? Stand here for? Get off my property.